Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox intro. First, define your intro's purpose and who your audience is. Next, choose a theme that truly reflects your Roblox content. Then, sketch out a simple storyboard to visualize key scenes and transitions. Finally, select appropriate music and sound effects early in the process to set the right mood and pace for your intro. To create your intro, you'll need essential tools. Utilize Roblox Studio for character posing and building your scene. For video editing, employ software like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut, which are excellent free options. Download high-quality sound effects and royalty-free music to enhance your audio. You can also create custom graphics or use pre-made assets for visual flair, making your intro unique. Now, let's bring your intro to life. Animate your Roblox character using the animation editor within Studio, focusing on smooth movements. Export your animated scenes as video files, typically in MP4 format, for easy editing. Sync your visuals precisely with your chosen music track, ensuring perfect timing. Add text overlays, dynamic transitions, and engaging visual effects to truly elevate your intro's appeal and professionalism. Finally, it's time to finalize and share your creation. Export your completed intro in a high-definition format, such as 1080 pixels, for crisp quality. Ensure the file size is optimized, ideally under 20 megabytes, for quick loading on platforms like YouTube. Upload your intro to your preferred video hosting service or directly to Roblox. Remember to gather feedback and iterate on your intro for future improvements, always striving for better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.